Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you these flower connectors. These are so many and these can be used for so many things as well. Yeah, like hunting. See, I just found a Lego piece in it. So you can hide things in this and children will have to find those. So that's for observation skills. Then you can ask them to sort the colors, right? Sometimes you can also ask them to sort the shades and make patterns, like you can see light yellow and then this is a little darker yellow. So these are all yellows but they are different shades. So this is also for observation, and they can construct things with it, anything. These are just some random things that I've made, but they can make like detailed stuff. You'll find some of these PDF files on the internet to make different stuff with this. And see, this one has been color coded, so there's one color, then another, then another, then another, like that. Then here again, this is kind of a pattern, light blues and then dark blues, and then that can continue. Now here, this is a basic black and white, black and white, black and white pattern. Children can make complex patterns with this as well, so they can do like AB, 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 or AB, ABC, ABC, AABB, whatever. Fine. So you can make them make patterns, you can introduce that, and this is a great tool for fine motor skills, connecting them. Like I'll show you how it's done, but with one hand it might not be possible. Let me try on something that is already standing still on the table. Okay, yeah, here, see, this is actually not properly fit. Now it is. So you see these lines in between, you connect them together and they lock together. So this is great for hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. And these are so many. This is kind of a classroom pack where a lot of children can play together and they can construct a lot of things. They can make playhouses, helicopters, cars, literally whatever they can think of. So let me know in the comment section if you like it. And let me know if you have it and what kind of things you like to make with it or your children like to make with it. Okay, take care. Bye bye.